Chatty, mouth a massy, mix up. Why you no allow Richie business? Leave Richie business alone. Good God, I tell you, nasty nigga, nasty nigga. How the feeling? Mels, come find me. Right now, I don't know where you wait, pan. What? How do you feel? I mean no sound. Wanna talk about no sound. Nah idiot. Junior Reid. Remember me call you what day in answer, you know. I tell you boy you say you hate me, you know. Remember me tell you say you hate me, you know. Remember me tell you you hate me, me no do nothing you hate me. Wanna go on with how are you, Cory? That man need go on. Remember say, remember Master give it show and see I did the whole place wicked and ball over here. I say, watch my friend. Scream for Kirk Riley and ball over him. Yo. Call the man, yo, the man hate me. I said, John was star. Member over Canada, Alberta, Cole, yo, God no. What happened? Wanna deal with? Remember from when you see me in them thing, I don't know it go. A winter now. Remember, you know. Me have to look down and say, what go on? Say Sean Paul can come on the light, yeah. Just give me the light. Yeah. Just give me the light. Yeah, man. Look better now. Like me a smaddy. What go on? How you doing on the weekend? How you doing on the weekend, boy? Me I tell you. Be people, me say a ball and I say foreign hard and foreign rough. I really rough, you know. You have to know if you tough out and wall out. If you can't wall out, you don't know where to go on. What's up, Sasha? You have to can't wall out. One thing me I tell you people, everybody will have them visa. Don't come run off. That me I tell you don't run off. Don't run off. Just come a foreign and come see one name foreign. Because everybody want to come a foreign. But remember, I'm telling you something. Having a visa is one, but having somewhere to stay is the next thing. You know what I mean? Everybody will tell us, hey man, come. Come. But come and do what? Come and do what? You understand? Remember, say the Jamaican them, everywhere them go, everybody know. That's why you hear some Jamaican tell us, say, yo, I don't want to do no Jamaican there. I don't want to do them, they call them no good and them no this and them no that. And everyone always stay so still, you know. And everyone always stay so. I mean, I lie. And everyone always stay so. Somehow have little sense and know if you hide out things and make everybody know everything. You know what I mean? So me I tell the people them say, come look and come see and observe and just know say, yeah man, I foreign this, a nice place to visit. But nowhere will ever be better than your yard where you pay rent for, where you pay mortgage for. Because remember, once you come a foreign under them amongst anybody at all, you catch. And when you're catching, you have to just know say there's an expiration date. You know what I mean? Just remember, say there's an expiration date. And once there's an expiration date, you know how that go. Zane, me have to talk to and make me on the reason and do the right thing and heal the king. Zane, have to talk to you. See, me have to talk to and make me know all the little vibes and things and know it go. Everywhere have an expiration date. And we don't know where we go on when time. Because anytime a new government come in, you don't know that a whole heap of changes are going to go on. Right now, big people are fret. Nobody don't know where we go on. Everybody have the man upon them heart. And I say, Jesus Christ, what we going to do? What we going to this? What we going to that? What we going everybody are fret. Everybody are fret. So right now, we got all the immigrants, them and who illegal, from who legal, and you know that go. Right now, I can tell you, so with the boy and boy are cold. See, boy are cold. So again, I have to adjust to the thing. Boy are cold. Remember, you know, foreign fit me, you know. I want to know. Run me, I run after you know. Remember, foreign fit me, you know. But you have to have money. You have to have money. And you have to have all type of clothes. Remember, say, my daughter road I walk this morning, see? And when my daughter road, the breeze a blow and the morning cold, because early. Breeze a blow and the morning cold. And me I say, this is America. This is foreign. I say, a brother goes over and over one place and I have a big thick jacket. He have on gloves and he have on him tam over him head. See, and him cover him ears. He have something to cover him ears. And he must sweep. And he must sweep. And me I say, all them set up foreign, them have clothes for every weather. You have to always have a jacket in your car, or if you are going to take the bus, you have to have a jacket. The morning start out cold, then it end up get hot. Every day in the summer, you're there in Jamaica, you have a ball for. You're there in Jamaica, you say the mosquito them a bite you. See? You say the mosquito them a bite you. And then two toes when you look again, you're there foreign and I say, star, it cold. And everybody stays so, it's cold. One thing I can tell you now, foreign is not for lazy people. Foreign is not for lazy people. You can't comfortable over them places until you make yourself comfortable. One time I never understand why some people work 2 and 3 jobs. Me just understand when I get older. Remember, I don't know, you know, but I just understand now. So listen me, this is why people have to work hard. Because if you want to comfortably, you have to work hard. Because remember, you have to pay for everything. Remember, you have to pay for gas, you have to pay for light, you have to pay water, you have to pay internet. You understand? I remember 4 bill that. 4 bill that right there, so you know. Your rent a 5. See, and people in them good relationship, me I talk about. Me not talk about single people alone. Me I talk about married couples who have children. Them have to work hard. So when you wonder, say, yo, how them people here are do so much job, what them work so hard for? Not for the people them work hard. For send back a barrel. You remember one time gone when people tell us 500 could have pack a barrel? Those days are gone. 500 can't pack barrel again. Them days are done. So every ungrateful family member will now get a barrel again. A time get hard here. Every ungrateful family member where your family stop come at your yard now and start go a resort. Come all of Jamaica when you don't know so no family come down there. Remember, things change. So the 1,000 or the 1,500 that they take and split up for food, clothes and shoes in a barrel and grocery and everything. Them stop do that now. And I go say the family never do nothing phone yet. When I go ball and say, oh, Oh, wait till me reach a foreign man and I saw them go on through them this and that. Ungrateful at it best. Big up everybody when you say you cut ties with somebody. You send barrel before barrel on top of barrel. Remember a lady link me, you know? And the lady link me and I say, Richie, I try with family and family mess me up. I try with friend and friend mess me up. I have some things I sell because you don't know me they are foreign and I buy the things I sell them. All I ask for is that money out of it because I know where the things them value. So we put the price on it like the bath and body works and the sheet set them on the box of them. You know it's something them, the necessities them woman that I love. Because I remember all man wear them look body wash when them ready. Like them, you know, bath and body. And the woman says she give her friend it. And the friend take everything and when money come back it bring war. It bring vexation, it bring disrespect. And she just leave them with it. Because it have it done. Remember it have it done, you know. Because where some people not understand. Now if I want to get to the opportunity, I want to get to the opportunity. I want to just say, a quick money I may have get, you know, make she go in, she there foreign and she can't come bad with your feet neither. Make she go. But you don't remember say anything we can count, it can finish. Because if she give 50 set of bath and body works and you sell the 50 of them, and you will get how much money if you sell one for $3,000, one set for $3,000, you sell a set for $4,000, whatever you sell it for. And you sell off the whole of that. Just remember it I got done. And the money I got done. So you be penny wise and pound foolish. Mash up you and your friend, you can't get nothing more again. You get your opportunity, you get your start. But then everybody have the hustling mindset. Wicked Pam. And everybody have the hustling mindset. Then, everybody don't have the hustling mindset. Big up everybody who do something for somebody in a life and big up everybody who never be ungrateful. You understand? Big up all who don't say you appreciate everything that everybody do for you. Because one thing we know, you know, and every Jamaican ungrateful. Big up everybody where they are England. And send something come back to Jamaica. Because I know people will send the barrel and send the money to clear the barrel. I know people like them there. I remember when them forget even a little flask of rum. The people them will send that come back, them not have no money. People will come up and them say, just send a little one bottle of rum for me. One bottle of rum, you know. Because these are people who send money right through the year for you. Right through the year and them ask if you have a bottle of rum. And you can't send it. People like when want to get the chance to come a foreign. And when you get the chance to come a foreign, you see when you're foreign. A year. See when you're foreign. Somebody asked what's a living rate in America and Canada. Canada people, America people, answer to that question there. What's a living rate in America and Canada? What do you mean when I say living rate? when I say living rate, what do you mean? I remember I know a big people over here saying over here saying all the time. Somebody say 180. Or him say per year. Per year. America people. Ali come talk to you because your girl will always at work. So California living there tell us $17 to $18 an hour. It depends on the state according to the New York Times. You need a yearly salary of $105,000 to live comfortable. Somebody has a market at $3,900. That's who have them house. See him somebody there tell you again, say Canada, yeah, you have to work $100,000 a year to be comfortable. So Miami there tell us 110,000. See? So again, when you see it, you have to work. Because remember, you know, anybody can go buy clothes out of store. I remember when we look at the clothes them we used to see. I remember when we just come a foreign, like when I see foreign first, like Me I see foreign. Or we used to judge foreigners and say them have things. Now when we see people in a Gucci and Louis and the pretty clothes them, but you know say, at the older me get, and when me start come a foreign, me realize they could have rent them something there. You know, cause one time man used to come down have on the big jewelry. And when me realize now say I could have rent, and me start me depend store love and get the break and come to America. Me realize say you have one place named Rent a Center where you could have rent the things them. I don't know if you see, because I don't see Rent a Center again. You could have rent the things them. See a lady goes to Obama and I have some sheet. And one of the sheet them have for $700. And me I said, blood cleat. That's an expensive sleep. That is an expensive sleep. Imagine you sleep on a $700 sheet. Eh? I remember you have sheet with dearer than that. You know that. But me just a say. I'm even telling you this. People live in Jamaica. Anytime you go to any foreign country, Antigua, St. Lucia, anywhere at all, as long as it's not your country, respect and appreciate anybody who put you up in a them place. Respect and appreciate anybody who put you up in a them place. You must be very grateful. They didn't have to do it. You understand? And you have to understand how people go to work when in a foreign country. Remember say, them give you a chance in a them house and every day them go wake up and them face bright and beautiful. See? And every day them go get up and them face bright and beautiful. Some days them don't want to wake up and chat to nobody. But again, I know you them have a problem with. I just saw them stay a long time. But show you there, they know when you see them face skin up, you go say them and show your bad face. Because remember, we have to learn. We have to learn. Because again, see me and live with me are two different things. Talking to somebody on the phone, if them have got through a bad time, you know have to know because they might not answer when you call. Because them have got through them time and them don't want to take it out upon you. But when you're there in a them place, they might have a bad day at work. They might have man problem. They might have girl problem. Them Pitney might have give them problem. Like Pitney have give problem at school. Them grades that drop and all of them something there. See, it's not you is the problem. They told you to come and I'm sorry them sorry say you come. But you just read wrong because I saw we stay. We take up things. See? So not because them tell us if you come you feel like a you. See? Because we have to learn. And what you're not supposed to do, don't sleep late at people yard. You have to wake up. Wake up early like you go to work. Walk around the neighborhood and get to know the place. And you're lazy, but you have to get to know the place. Gone where the days people used to take you to mall and go shop. When you come up a foreign people and take you to the mall and go shop, you have to bring your money now. You can't come a foreign and don't have no money. You have to save up your little money and come with. Because somehow you don't want to come and so you don't want to buy iPhone 16. I don't want to buy where's something named Galaxy 24. Zine, you have to remember to clean up after yourself because no big people no fear tell you to clean up after yourself. No big people. Find things to do in the house. Make yourself useful. Yes, I visit, yeah, I visit. And when you leave the people in place, give them thank you, show them grace. Hot country pepper. Hot. We have to show the people them grace. No for when time the people them send phone and some of the people might have some young kids and them ask if you look on the pitney them for them. And them a give you a little thing. You a walk and tell the people them so you take care of pitney and the people them now pay you and all of them something. Them move you ungrateful, dirty blood clot. Ungrateful. That me know with you. Ungrateful ass. You understand? Because the people them not ask if you pay rent, all them ask if you do a look on the picnic and them a pay you. Just because you go up on internet and look and hear people talk about, oh, me have a living work for you. Me have a living work in this area and I have 2 kids and it a pay this and it a pay that. You feel like say you supposed to get $600, $700 a week for take care of the people in picnic. Right? You're not taking into consideration. Say, you're there in people in place, a roof over your head, you're not buying nothing put in the people in house. All them ask if you do, look on the kids them for them and for a certain hours. Right? And them still give you money, right? They might give you $250 or $3 bills. Why you have to call people at Jamaica and complain, boy, you take care of the people and picnic and the people and not pay you. Right? No for you fuck up on yourself. Because you used to come up and have somewhere to stay. Now you don't have nowhere for blood clot stay. Now you don't have nowhere for stay. You always have option until you have option gone. No for you do it. Stop watch the internet and then use other people and feel like say the internet and the people them are the same thing. No for you mash up on a friendship because of that. No for you mash up on a family because of that. Come on a family yard and chat on a family. After the family, you know the family have a 2-bedroom and them have 2 picnic and them man and them make space for you. Make you sleep in a couch. Or make you sleep on a little blow-up bed. Them make for them life and comfortable just for you. Spend a little time and see when you're foreign and still make you go back to Jamaica with a little thing in your pocket. And you expect so you forget every blood clot thing. You get everything and you nah look on it and I say, you nah have nowhere to go. And you own a family say, yeah man, come you can stay. You say you spend a little 3 months or a little 4 months. Seeing? But you gone slaughter the people and the people them catch you all chat them on phone. The people them catch you all chat them on phone. You malice all the people them in them own house. Malice all the people them in them own house and when it done you make it look like the people them do you something. When you do the blood clot people them something. So bro, I say some of them you help them come up from Jamaica, them never have no help, and you help them and all of a sudden them have all type of friend. Then that part the way you say a while ago, man. That part the way you say a while ago. You ever go to Obama and realize that them never have nobody to put them up. And as soon as them reach a foreign, them have everybody to go link. It's just like me as a selector. Especially when I go to England. When I go to England, the promoter send for me. Right? Promoter buy him ticket, promoter put me in a hotel, promoter pay for my visa. The promoter do all of that. As me reach a foreign, everybody know me long time. When you go down Richie, who no want a video job, who no want this, them a keep a dance and I ask me if me can come pass through them dance. Me? That a one thing me blood clot. No. Me no come a foreign for hustle. Me is a man who deal with discipline. I'm full of principality. Remember, me do one show, come back at me yard. Me no come for come scrape. Me rate the promoter will bring me. And me respect film thing. You go. Seeing everybody like you when you reach a foreign. But when you're there at Jamaica, you never get a blood clot message from one of them people yet. People, cherish you no one friend who have a foreign. Cherish you no one or no 2 friend who have a foreign who can call upon all times. Cherish you no one friend where one of them dep on the phone. Cherish that one friend there. And the 2 friend who have. Cherish that friend there. Don't make some other people just want something now. Mash up what you have go on for a long time. RJ, mommy. So me I tell you how long me not see RJ. God no. One little time I come look for RJ. Yo, God no, he hate me. You have to cherish you look one friend you have. Because remember, you know, you don't understand say there's something when you're friend. Where people are used and I use it so loosely because the internet make you meet so much nice people. But some way, don't appreciate the people them. And when the people them gone now, we now take accountability and I make it know so listen. You know, say me fuck up. Fuck up my friendship with me and that person here. And me are the cause of it. Nothing wrong if you say you are the cause of something. Stop hold on. And go on like say you, right? Yeah, it's all about you. Because we can't wrong too. Remember say me know say me wrong when me wrong. Because me a big man. And when me apologize, me really mean say me apologize because, you know, saying sorry and actually sorry are two different things. Because if you really check for you as my friend, and me know me hurt your feelings, me apologize sincerely and it a go bother me. Because I remember say, me have my friend and me used to comfortable with my friend. Me and my friend sit down and share so much things, and when I realize say you're your friend and a friend like that again, them think they bother you. But the dirty people, them now I look for people for scrape from all the while and carry news. I'm telling you something. Anybody where you see, they on phone with everybody, not good. Anybody where you see, they on phone with everybody, they are not good. You hear me say, man? They're only in it for what they can get. And me I teach you nothing. I learned this long time, but me I teach you it now. Everybody don't deserve an expensive gift. Yes, I know some of you are big gifters, but not everybody deserve a big gift. And your gift them forget. Make somebody else gift them. Because you set them bar so high, that's when you really go to them and not give them a gift, them are going to ask, oh, them are expect. So them are expect. You not expect nothing from them, you know. You will not expect nothing from them. But they are expecting so much from you because you start broke them bad. Just like some people fall in love with your hand. And when you ever come out of your hand, them like. When you ever come out of your hand, them like. You see, once you go somewhere your hand lock up, so them are going to ask you, I want to your hand. You realize you have some people that know nothing about you, but to your hand. And that's one of the reasons why enough women have failed relationships. We know you have a kind heart. Man go through it too. Because me know somehow when you just hear people say, boy, I don't know how me I go do this, you know, because my daughter this and that and that. And it's like you know, jumping a fixing mood because you're that type of person there. Right? I already know when you go to Bama and say, all right, me I go send a 100 US come. Remember them never ask your feet, you know. But you see, from you go to Bama, go send that $100, they go blood clot, give them other $150, they go give them pussy clot. It come like a start, you start them up. It come like a start, you start them up. Because you are a giver, and them realize say he's a giver. Why you think say that happened to enough of the blood clot people them over TikTok? Why you think that happened to them? Because everybody over there beg them a beg. And remember now, the begging becomes a job. Because remember, it used to be entertainment, you know, with somebody where we can see somebody over there entertain. But some of them over there, then just sit down and say, oh, I beg me come over here to beg, you know. I do it, and it's like, it's a demand. Just like enough relationship. It's like a man goes to a man go look for a woman. And the first thing, as the man reach, where you bring for me? So you just come with your too long answer. So you know as a man, for realize, say, I know you should like. She don't know if you're dirty. She don't know if you brush your teeth. She don't know if you're beard. She just want to know where you bring for her. Once you don't have nothing like that, you get fucked. Leave them alone. Woman too. Woman too. Zane, remember say if you're not mean, you know, you can't get mean. Because you don't have a kind heart already. You don't have a kind heart already. Zane, you don't have a kind heart. And them say, push the knife until it bucks somewhere. And once the knife buck, them try broke off the knife. And them have the next thing when them say send the fool a little further. See? Man got through all heap of things and woman got through it too, but the woman them things show like, you know, if you're up on the internet and you hear them and say, oh, don't take up the man from Jamaica. Don't help no man from Jamaica. All them are going to do a come and them are going to this and them are going to that and that and that and that and that. Remember, your story and other people's story cannot be the same. There are two types of man in this world. A don't care man who like the hype, and a hard-working man who laid back. Him work hard, but he not run down the hype. I have the man them who laid back and just feel like say, you figure work and mind them. Sometime, you the female attracted. Because remember, you know, we I get older now. So I look so no still a date for. Dirty Sanya. See your boy there at gym yesterday. No know where you got gym for, you know. No know where you got gym for. How you do plan for your birthday. What kind of dress you have to wear that you want to fit in that dress there. It not going to fit you good, you know. It not going to fit you good. May I bring down that dress there. Seeing people. Remember, at the choice them what we make mash for you. Nobody not trick we. I just we a fall for the wrong thing. Big up who learn them lesson. Big up all who not learn your lesson yet. Big up all who use somebody's story and strengthen yourself. You understand? Because remember, you know, nobody don't know who is a person. Because when I hear people get up and talk about there were red flags and I didn't pay attention to the red flags. Nobody in a blood clot walk and look for red flag. Because you feel like me, say somebody that I like, my business about flag. Me no business about no flag. Me just know say she me like and a she me like me I go and feel her. Me like a she, something about her where catch me. Me don't know the rest of her side them yet. Me don't know the rest of our side them yet. So none of we can talk about the red flags were there and the signs were there and the this were there and nobody don't know about like where people get up and talk about flag. When you go to Obama start feel somebody no sign at all, no there more than one sign. One sign we say, y'all look good and me fuck it right Joe all the night Joe. Y'all can fuck. And woman say the same thing too. Would reach her and she say, Lord, that boy would nice. Ooh, my send fee me and that boy I feel live. Ooh, and ball. Zine, I see me and live with me now. So, stop following the people and about the signs were there and the red flags were there. And when time things go so you remember everything where you never pay attention to. Because sometimes we sit down and wait for people for change. I've been a person like that who go through that with a woman. We sit down and wait for a woman for change. And the woman nah blood clot change and we hope and pray like a mother. You understand? Because just like how you hear woman say them sis didn't go through this. Man go through this too. You know how much man are suffer in a silence. You know how much man, like for instance, a man take the whole life money. You ever hear say a woman send a man a you yet? How much woman you ever hear say send a man to university? You always hear say a man send woman go to university. Strong one, wagwan. You always hear that. You always hear that. Man send woman go to school, pay tuition for her, do everything for her. So one to them man they will go through that when the woman reaches, she just say, yo, you're not in my league again, you know. Because she starts to some different things. She starts to the liar, them as well, so the liar, them. She and them, they up there now, but she don't know, so them just want to fling some fuck on her. And she left her little man where did that struggle with her. Remember that part of the conversation, enough people now going to have it. Tell me how much woman you know. Remember, say we know say woman file for man. Right? We know woman file for man. Send for them from Jamaica, pick them up off of the street, like see them over Hellshire, see them down a town, see them on bus. See? But how much time have you heard a woman send a man through school? Man always a send a woman through school. Man always a send a woman go further education. And as soon as she reach, send her a nursing school, send her go this, send her go everywhere. Because she want reach where she want reach. And he hold back himself and say, yeah man, when my woman reach, me I go reach. And she just say, me I have the same goals, you know. I outgrow you, you know, and lick him. So he might go through that. And I say, nah, help no more woman, I send no more woman to school and rare this and that and that and that. While you have some woman now, get up, like see it, we see it on the internet, right? You take up the man, file for the man getting papers and as him come, him does something. What I'm girl them when him did a link with on Facebook. None of them never reach out to help him. None of them never put $1 towards him papers. None of them never do that. But them say, yo, see me, I'm reach a foreign now. But pity him never blood clot, no. No fight girl them when him did a look. Him straighter than them, cause them not straight. Them just their foreigner look good on the internet when the picture them take. You understand? When the picture them take and the picture them look good, cause remember, everybody look good until you see where them live. Everybody life look lavishing when you see the nice buckle of that. Remember say, dance all our place where we go work, you know. But when you see the rascal royal couple them come out and the whole of the nice kings and queens them and the paradise and the something them. Ladies mood face. Remember saying, I come look for you already, you know, give me nothing, you know, I come to England, you know. Appeal you give one whole heap of something, you know. Pretty bag and pretty something, you know. Remember, you know, peel you get things, you know. I remember, you know. And I tell me about Richie. Remember, I never dress up for come out, come see you. I bring come thing, come forgive for peel it. Remember, you know. Bring you down to the tea, you know. Bring you down, you know, but me nah bring you down, me allow you. You're dirty Sean. 2 hours me for bring down today, you know, but on alright. I remember, on the love peel it, so nah, but I bring you down. Nah, but I bring you down, cause on the big up peel it. Crystal punch, what go on? That them a tell me how my day's done. Oh, Richie, and let me chip. Remember me I come to England next month too, you know. New Year's Eve party. Nico presents elegant and class. Every year me invite you know. Smooth face and Sean who never come 1 year yet. No year at all, who no come. No year at all, who no come. And a 10 year now it a keep. And who no come none at all. Who no come. I would have knocked me down. Yo, God no. The man will knock me down. Put them on, put me out. Yep, God no. Remember, you know. So you say I put them on, come try put me out here, you know. Them can't put me out. My booking. Book my booking. So remember, you know. Nico elegant and class. Edgeway Road, Cavendish Banquet in Suite. Remember, 10-year anniversary. Don't know. Worry them far in mind. They must be blind. Jesus Christ, I want to know. Foreign fit me. I want to feel like. Yeah, I could get back to the reasoning, because nah, joke out this today, you know. I have to make you know, you know. All who never come a foreign yet. When you get the opportunity to become a foreign, first thing when you come into foreign, make sure you have money. We're living in modern time now. We're living in a modern time now. Put your phone on roaming. You can't put all a month roaming on your phone too. So when you come out of the airport, you still can't make a phone call and call people. And I like one time when you have to go borrow people's phone and them something there, your same phone when you're leaving the airport in Jamaica, put on the roaming plan and your phone. You have to have money. That means you can't even put up yourself in a hotel for one night. If I even for one night, you're supposed to have money. You can't just come a foreign and not have nothing. Remember, you know, no money no day, drop off on a tree. You will leave the whole of the poverty, you will leave the whole of the good life where the people are beg for. So a sap leaf, not the boy up on no tree, Cersei not there, no fever grass not there. None of them something not there. So may I tell you now, when you're coming to any foreign country, remember, digital and flow, work everywhere in the world. All of Israel. I remember I got Israel on my phone up and roaming. I remember it work. You understand? So I just make sure tell you have money if you even can put yourself in a hotel for the night. Have credit on your phone so you can make a phone call. You understand? Because sometimes no found no claim so no foreign until you no reach. Hello, Miramar is not in New York. Hello, Brooklyn down there, Orlando. Me just make sure tell you from now. No where now go. And you have to have an address for where I go to. You have to put address on it. And like one time when you full out this bigger paper. And like one time them days they done you know get paper again for full out. You just go to immigration with your passport now because your name done in our system already. And remember again your suitcase must weigh 50 pounds. If you weigh 55 pounds, the people them will check you in, you have to beg them a blind. And if they're not begging a blind, God go with you. If it's overweight, remember, you have to pay for overweight $150 for overweight. So again, you have to have money. You can't say you bring up the whole America and the whole Jamaica and the whole of England and the whole of everywhere. You have to have money to pay for your overweight. Whether going or coming, you have to can pay for your overweight. I mean, I teach you know. When you're at someone's house staying at a person's house, always wake up early. Always wake up early. Don't be a lazy bird in the people in house. Remember 7 o'clock is 7 o'clock. Anywhere at all in the world. 6 o'clock is 6 o'clock. Anywhere in the world. If you have a lazy mentality in Jamaica, you have to be active. And if you come and get a little work, you can't wait for the people in work. If rain fall, you have to go outside in the rain. If snow fall, you have to go outside in the snow. You can't say you not go. Automatically you left the work. Automatically. Mary want a long time. You done it, me Mary. Jesus Christ. Mary send me a DM. A long time in a talk to you. Remember, if the time cold, you have to put on your gloves, put on your ear puff, put on your scarf around your neck, and wrap up like an Eskimo. Because if you want good, them say you know you have to run. And remember, it's just like you're there at Jamaica, you squeeze up in a taxi if you got a work at 8 hours a in the taxi. If your family, them, they are foreign and them live in a little one room with a little basement, remember, you have to make it work. You don't come to sleep comfortably, you come for work. You can't sleep comfortable. So you have to make it work. You have to do like the name Filipinos, them, and the African, them, and the Asian, them. 40 of them live in all one room, and then make it work. You hear me say? You hear us say you can't sleep late, but at the first week only. Remember this, and ask everybody where they on the life. Every new people when know about foreign. Ask them if you think I lie. Foreign is a place where everybody have to work. Remember, everybody have to work. You have to find yourself and do something, boy. You can't just sit down so. Worse when you're not a citizen. As citizens get benefits from the government. As citizens, especially when them now work, them can go put in them can go down somewhere and them sign up for something and them get food. Because remember, no pitney where them have now suffer boy. Yeah. But when you and your pitney reign supreme. But when you and your pitney come from Jamaica and not have nothing, you not have nothing. You can't beg nobody no onion. Because your neighbor not even know you. You can't beg nobody no scallion. You can't beg nobody no thyme, no sweet pepper, not at all. You can't beg nobody. None of them something you can't beg nobody. You have to buy them things and have them in your house. Me don't know nobody will go over to the next door neighbor and beg them a tomato. A Jamaica alone that. Not even sugar. You can't ask nobody for. Remember that. And remember, everybody out here from Jamaica who know say, when you live in Jamaica and I cook on Sunday, are one of the wickedest hungry that. Everybody from Jamaica, you ever hungry on a Sunday yet? Anybody ever go through that yet? You ever hungry on a Sunday yet? And when you are walking in your community, everybody didn't smell good. All the people them and them not chat. All the people them and them not chat. Them food smell good. Well, that's Jamaica. Remember, foreign hungry wickeder than Jamaica hungry. Foreign hungry wickeder than Jamaica hungry. And one of the wickedest hungry. Where you say layer 45? Foreign hungry and one nice hungry. I'm sure you know boy wicked. I was at the hotel yesterday and feel hungry. Like, remember, I know, I have money can buy food, you know, but no food not there around the place. And I start feel bad. Because I say, yo, I never eat nothing. So, I want some food to eat. See? And I say, yo, I need even a little tea. I need a little tea because I start feel bad. I never a good feeling if I look around the place and I see no way. Like, you know, and like no shop no there, so you can go over one shop and say, give me a bun. Or buy a bulla or buy a piece of bread or a biscuit or something. Remember say, corner store the well far. Corner store the far, you have to walk far. And worse when the time cold. You know how that go when the time cold. Germs. Yeah. Him said tomorrow. No, I not talk to him. I talk to Pooh. Him said tomorrow. Yeah. Here Maria said join a church free line. I remember say when you don't know no way. Remember say you know, yet hey, we don't need to talk to the people and tell the people them something, you know. The foreign where them see, you know. Remember say if you watch the movie them I want to see it, you know. Remember them show foreign and some of them something there, you know. Mary, if you know they know alright. Me dey a Tampa the other day. And when me dey a Tampa, to the way how Tampa set up, which part of the hotel, which part we did there. Remember, it's a highway, the hotel depend. You can't walk. Because if you walk on the road, you will go to jail. Because it's a highway, it's very dangerous. You're not supposed to walk on that highway. So me I tell you, it's a foreign hungry and one different hungry. So you have to have even one little piece of card where you can put in and buy something. You have to have money. You have to have money. Now I could go down in a reasoning again and tell enough about opportunity. Because I tell you say from a little me always want to see when you're foreign and know when you're foreign. See, I'm come a foreign and come see when you're foreign. Me hear them change. Them stop talk about hype now and them say people are cap. I pay a cap on the internet. The 90s is different from the early 2000s. And the 80s is different from the 90s. Now we're in a 2024. You imagine a 2025 we are going on now. Right? I go to Atlanta when I look. I see Chick-fil-A have a robot to deliver food. Gone were the days a Jazz Jetson we used to watch. And I see that when I go to Atlanta, I see that robot to deliver food. See? And next thing when I learn, people who live in America don't cook every day. They don't cook every day. people who work. A matter of fact, I not talk about people just their home and them yard. I talk about working class people don't cook every day. They don't have time to cook every day. So they grab and go. Like them will stop at one restaurant and then purchase a food, or them will order some wings because they work so damn hard that them not have time to cook. They don't, and I learn. Me have to come afar and come learn that I didn't know this. I learn. People who work hard not have time to cook. If them cook one time for the month, God bless you. Because them work so hard. Them will stop at dumpling shop. Them will stop up at Chugit. Them will stop up at Genesis. Them will stop at Doors. Them will stop at anywhere where food sell. DJ Cory. A survival story. Zine, I may never know because me know because some man come and foreign and say, I want to know now cook. Make me cook. And go some man say me a cook. To the way the people them work hard, sometimes them don't even remember them have a stove. Because by them come in, most of them will do a drink like a tea. Every cold country the most tea drink. Easy. You hear me I say, I like a tea, them we drink, and everybody drink tea. Can't remember when I just got England, you know. Me reach England, the first thing them ask if you want a cup of tea. But everywhere now, in America, them ask if you want like a tea. Over Canada, them ask if you want like a tea, because remember, say tea is very essential. A tea give you the warmness. See, Cory there, I tell you, say, yo, Gambia him there. Remember, you know, Cory down a Gambia, you know. Gambia, you know. Big up DJ Cory, man. Yeah, Lady Rochelle, when them say we are Jamaica, the first thing them ball out, Lord, they get fatty. Because we more a cook, them not have no time to cook. So adjust, we have to adjust. Any country where we go, we have to adjust quick. We have to adjust quick. Remember, me know people who cook Monday and I feel whole week that last them for. You hear me say? Because I eat right show. Because remember the America pit to them. Or some funny pit to them. Them not broke for eat no cook food all the while. Them want McDonald's. Them want Wingstop. Them want all kind of things. And that them want. All kind of things them want. While we don't go deal with Sunday, Monday when we're there in Jamaica. But people deal it right through the week. And pizza. Yo, foreign people love pizza, man. Foreign people love pizza, you know. Yo. So, I learn now. Me learn. I learn, you know. Me learn. So Miss last night tell us she for she won, she live a Chick-fil-A seat there. And then you have another place where the people them love. The people me realize me come America and realize America people them love Panera bread. Why go and fluffy diva? How you feeling? Kelly? How wine a Panera bread make couldn't love it so? What the in a Panera bread make couldn't love it so when you come talk to me, you know? Why go on come later? Why? But on a real level though, from what year, me I look on the internet and I see a lot of women. See I look a young girl who me know she at about 20 odd. I don't know if she reach 30 good. Me not tell a lie. That girl there go through it. I want all of the women them on the doing liquor. Wait name? Mammogram or sonogram? What is it called? What the woman them do? Is a mammogram them do or a sonogram? Which one is it? Which one is it? I am advising all the females them to take your health serious. Don't just take. Yeah, me know someone who take care of the tuntun. And the tuntun clean. But remember you have other parts of the body you have to take care of too. Like for instance the breasts. You know you have to do the mammogram and the breasts. You have to do that all the while. Mr. Walker, a long time. Every female must go do that. Do your mammogram and check out what's going on. And who live a foreigner have the insurance. If you're paying your insurance, please to do your checkup. Do your checkup. Do your checkup and know where you're going with your body. Because me I tell you, a couple people well them follow me on the internet. So one of my friend named Stacy, I don't know if I cut off her breast because she find out for her thing. And I say a next girl where I go through it, a young girl I follow too. About 3 people there on my page right now where I go through it. Right? So the pap smear the thing where you're supposed to do. So my nurse them man, Nurse Blake man. Remember I know my nurse, you know. So the lady they must do them pap smear. Find out what go on in the body. And not just the female them alone, the man them. Them say when you're there 35, 40, you must check out what go on with you. Every man, them say every 6 months we have to check up yourself as man. Because trust me, we were there and feel like say we're the strongest thing and true we now we have a little cold or a little fever. We have to check out what go on. We have to check out what go on. All of the man them will follow me over 35 and 40, 45, 50. We have to check out ourselves. Doreen, remember you're my Canadian mother, remember I love you, you know. Remember, you know, long time I don't see you, you know. A woman I named Bashman Forever. I want the nicest woman, yo. God know. I know that woman from me on Stone Love. Got Canada Thanksgiving. Remember, Mataran make me know her, you know. Mataran carry me to the woman yard. The woman have every food in her yard. Come like she catch me with her food, you know. Come like she catch me with her food. But a good woman. But me I telling up on a serious note. Everybody were up in that age, remember I like one time. So how the life you know, after them I deal with life thing now, you know I get not even an hour good, me not depend this pan hour yet. And the life I done already. After me just start talk about what I go on, people, me I come back, you know. Raz, me I same age, you're 40 at move. Raz, me I same age, move. Remember, we as man, we're afraid for God doctor. We're not afraid for God doctor. We're supposed to know where we go on because remember, if we have grandkids or we look at young youth, them, we have to there. Remember, you know, enough things are going on, you know, because the food where them are give away, the food are fuck way up. We can't eat too much of this, we can't drink too much of that because everything are fuck way up now. Zane, everything are mash way up now in life. See? So when me I try say, all of the female them, take care of yourself, check out on yourself. Don't dare foreigner have the insurance and don't use it. Use up the insurance. If you're there at Jamaica, go a doctor, save up your money and go a doctor and check out yourself. If you know where you're going, make sure you know where you're going. Don't wait till it's too late. The man them, remember we are man. We're afraid for a doctor, but we're afraid of needle and we're afraid of this and we're afraid of that. I better we know where we're going because the time so serious now. Because remember, nobody can take care of we better than we. Somebody can tell we have to take care of ourselves, but we have to take care of ourselves. And we can't tell you that. Experience teaches wisdom. I'm going to talk alone, we can't talk. We can't talk about mix up and run like a joke and rave, but when time it come on to our health, we're supposed to take that as a top priority. We're not supposed to talk about, yeah man, from she got a doctor and good, me good. No, we can't look on that. Flipper, come there wait for you long. Yo, when me there in a life, make you hate me, man.